Okay, go ahead and load.
No time to reload. Nice job.
Loaded up about 1,000.
I started.
Okay.
Got like 500.
On the window frame. Shooters ready! Stand by!
No, I cheated. I ran up to the billet.
$15.84.
1584.
Gun is clear. Slide down, hammer down, holster. I got it. Okay, you good? 1584. 2 Alpha. 2 Alpha. Alpha Charlie. Alpha Charlie. 2 Alpha. Alpha Delta. 2 Alpha. 2 Alpha. 2 Alpha. Alpha Charlie. Very nice.
One of those deals where you're coming out of the gate with the spring and you kind of forgotten half of it.
Okay, go ahead and load.
You want to shoot USP, ASA, and IDPA, you can shoot everything within an hour. But I got to get my reloaded before I start doing that. And get a good progressive. Not personally not.
Shooter is ready. Stand by.
The one that I was looking at is not
Nice one. Gun is clear. Slide down, hammer down. 944. 2 Alpha the hard way.
Yeah, the turn is not bad. You'll like the progressive.
Alpha Charlie.
How much is the turn?
2 Alpha. Alpha Charlie. Alpha Charlie. Alpha Delta.
Do you get the
2 Alpha same Yeah, 2 Alpha.
I'm going to just use one marker.
You might.
Sure.
On the progressive, you get 500 bullets. Yeah, so you get like 2G hollow.
Ready? You load and make ready.
Shooter ready? Shooter ready? Stand by.
You wanted a lot more for it. He's a cross-country truck driver. He just didn't drive it at all.
Shoot clear. Slide down. Slide down.
11:49. Excellent run. Range is safe. I'm going to say Alpha Charlie, Alpha Delta, 2 Alpha, 2 Alpha, 2 Alpha, Alpha Charlie, 2 Alpha, Alpha Charlie, 2 Alpha.
Okay, go ahead and load.
Nice job.
Loaded up about 1,000.
I started. Got like 500.
On the window frame. Shooters ready. Stand by.
No, I cheated. I ran up to the billet.
$15.84.
1584.
Gun is clear. Slide down, hammer down, holster. I got it. Okay, you good? 1584. 2 Alpha. 2 Alpha. Alpha Charlie. Alpha Charlie. 2 Alpha. Alpha Delta. 2 Alpha. 2 Alpha. 2 Alpha. Alpha Charlie. Very nice.
One of those deals where you're coming out of the gate with the spring and you kind of forgotten half of it.
Okay, go ahead and load.
You want to shoot USP, ASA, and IDPA, you can shoot everything within an hour. But I got to get my reloaded before I start doing that. And get a good progressive. Not personally not.
Shooter is ready. Stand by.
The one that I was looking at is not
Finish cue. Slide down, hammer down. 944. 2 alpha the hard way.
Yeah, the turn is not bad. You'll like the progressive.
Alpha Charlie.
How much is the turn?
2 alpha. Alpha Charlie. Alpha Charlie. Alpha Delta. 2 alpha. Yeah, 2 alpha.
I'm going to just use one marker.
You might.
Sure.
On the progressive, you get 500 bullets. Yeah, so you get like 2G hollow.
Ready? Load and make ready. Shooter ready? Shooter ready? Stand by.
You wanted a lot more for it. It's a cross-country truck driver, and just drive it all.
Shooter. Slide down. Slide down. 11:49. Excellent run. Range is safe. Oh, that's fine. I'm going to say Alpha Charlie, Alpha Delta, 2 alpha, 2 alpha, 2 alpha, yeah, Alpha Charlie, 2 alpha, Alpha Charlie, 2 alpha.